Hey, what's going on? This is my Chrysler 300, and today I'm replacing the headlight switch. The symptoms for me is when I try to turn the headlights off, actually they don't, and when I hit the fog button, like right there, the fog lights just never turn on. So taking this out is really simple. You just need a flathead screwdriver. The headliner around the switch there, as you can see, is kind of spongy, so you really can't do too much damage. You don't need to be too careful. Just pop it out. Pull out that red plug, and the whole electrical plug will come out. And the new design actually doesn't have an independent button for the fog lights. It's on the knob itself, so you just push in the knob to turn your fogs on. I don't really like that, but it's cheaper than going back to Chrysler to get the replacement part. So you just pop that back in, same electrical plug and all that. Plugs right in, and it worked for me. So some of the symptoms I had is my headlights would never turn off, fogs never worked, and also when I was driving, sometimes they would turn off randomly, completely, but this completely solved my problem, so I hope this helped.